Hi, so what I'm going to do today in this video is explain how to calculate the volume of a cone. Okay, so a cone is a three-dimensional object and at the base of it is a circle. Okay, so it's quite hard to draw three-dimensional objects on 2D paper, so that's why if it's not the best drawing, that's why I'm a maths teacher, not an art teacher. So the formula for a cone is pi, and we know now that pi is 3.14, or we can use 3.14. R stands for the radius, so it's the radius of the circle at the base of the cone. H stands for the height, and then all of that's multiplied together, and then it's divided by 3. So this is starting to get a little complicated in terms of multiplication and division. So I'm going to be using a calculator in this. So that is, if you've got your own calculator, that's fine. Or if you've got one on your smartphone or on your computer, then that's fine. But I think from now on, if you should still be able to do this stuff with long multiplication. However, I want to also make sure you know how to do it on a calculator. Okay, so calculate the volume of the following cones. So first thing I'm going to do is write out the formula. Pi r squared h divided by 3. Okay, I know that pi is 3.14. I know that the radius, if I can see here, is 4 centimeters. So 4 squared. And I know the height is 10. And all of that is divided by 3. 4 squared means 4 times 4, but I'm going to put it all into the calculator all at once. So I'm going to do 3.14 times 4 squared, which is this button here, times by 10. I'm now going to press equals. Don't worry, I've not forgotten to divide by 3, and then divide all of that by 3 equals, now it's come up with the fractions. If you've got this sort of calculator, then you just press this button here, the S and D button, and it comes out as 167.466 because it goes on forever. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to round that to one decimal place because I know that the exercise you're doing is asking you to do that. So to round that to one decimal place will be 167.5, and it's centimeters, and it's volume, so it's centimeters cubed. Okay, so do another one. First thing, write out the formula. So it is 3.14 times 6 squared. I've flipped it on its side, but that's fine. Times 12, all divided by 3. Run out of space. So I do 3.14 times 6 squared times 12, all divided by 3, and then I press that button, equals 452.16, which to one decimal place would be 452.2 centimeters, millimeters cubed. Okay, now extra bit with this question. I've not given you the radius, I've given you the diameter of the circle. But that's fine because we know that this radius is half the diameter. So the radius is going to be 9 centimeters. So now we start. Volume equals pi r squared h over 3. So 3.14 times 9 squared times 50 all over 3. Calculator out again. 3.14 times 9 squared times 50 all divided by 3. Oh, that's a whole number. Equals 4239 centimeters cubed. So that is how you calculate the volume of a cone.